So I typically grind or sharpen my knives at about a 15-degree angle. But when I get to here, it's going to run too far down the grind of the knife. So I cock it into about a 35-degree angle just to grind this down to the same thickness as the edge that I have there that I want to grind. So I'll do one side. So it kind of looks like that. Then I'll grind the other side. So it looks like that. And now I'll just sharpen the knife like I normally would sharpen a knife. You can see that I need to sharpen a little bit more. And one more pass will clean it up. So it's staying pretty. I gotta go a little bit on this side. You can see I kind of nicked it there. Gotta be careful. This, I got a little nick there. This is how it's supposed to look. It comes right down to the end of the choil. I got a wire edge all along the edge. Now all I have to do is knock that wire edge off, and it's sharp. And the way I do that is I go